Old Disbury traffic, Cessna 172, Foxtrot Whiskey Papa Victor, currently over Disbury. We'll be coming in to do a midfield pass for a precautionary approach exercise. Whiskey Papa Victor.
GPS is on. My feet are cold. Cameras are on. Instruments 3360. Fuel okay. Transfer pump on. Alright. Throttle 1800 RPM on. Mixture okay. Mixture full. 3360. Canopies locked. Seatbelts okay. Oh, instruments. There. Enter set GPS. Instruments check. Fuel is okay. Light on. Breakers are in. On. Radio set. Transponder standby. Mixture full rich. Boost pump is on. Transfer pump is on. Elevator trim is good. Flaps 2, 3. And flight controls. Alrighty. And let's go. Landing light on. Nav lights on. Alright.
Old Disbury traffic, Cessna 172, Foxtrot Whiskey Papa Victor is descending on the inactive side of runway 28, down to circuit altitude Whiskey Papa Victor, currently at 4,900 descending.
Yeah, Old Disbury, this is Foxtrot Echo Delta here, currently at 7,500 feet and maintaining, traveling from the west to the east, just to the north of the field, and headed out towards Three Hills. Foxtrot Echo Delta Sierra here, at 7,500 feet.
The aircraft that called for the inactive side, where's your position?
Old Disbury traffic, Cessna 182, Gulf Alpha Mike Zulu, 5,500, 20 miles to the west, will be inbound for a full stop, Alpha Mike Zulu.
Old Disbury traffic, Foxtrot Zulu, Sierra Zulu, about to take position, runway 28 for departure, staying in circuit. There was an aircraft in the area. You call out, please?
Hi, this is Whiskey Papa Victor, just descended down to 4,400 on the inactive side. We'll be joining downwind, crossing midfield shortly here. That's Whiskey Papa Victor, shouldn't be conflict.
Roger that. Old Disbury, Foxtrot, Zulu, Sierra Zulu, Land Sierra 360, taking position, runway 28 for departure. Old Disbury traffic, Zulu, Sierra Zulu, rolling on to 8, half traffic overhead in sight. Old Disbury.
Old Disbury traffic, Whiskey Papa Victor is joining downwind 28.
Positive climb. Gear up. Climbing 1,000 feet per minute, 90 knots. Flaps coming up.
Old Disbury traffic, Cessna 172, Whiskey Papa Victor is joining final for low pass precautionary approach exercise. Old Disbury, Whiskey Papa Victor, runway 28.
Old Disbury, Zulu, Sierra Zulu, currently over the town of Disbury, 4,700 feet, will be heading westbound, leaving the area. Old Disbury, Zulu, Sierra Zulu.
Old Disbury traffic, Cessna 182, Golf Alpha Mike Zulu,
5,500, 10 miles to the northwest. We'll be flying midfield, joining left downwind 28. Alpha Mike Zulu.
So it's like -10 outside Celsius. So it's probably about -12 or 13 where I am right now.
Traffic over the town of Olds. What altitude are you climbing for? Alpha Mike Zulu.
That was over Didsbury, Zulu Sierra Zulu. I'm currently 4,900. We're going to 5,500. I'll just be heading west about 10-15 miles and coming back in to join the circuit at Dids. Olds, Dids.
Roger, thanks, Alpha Mike Zulu.
So it's supposed to be nice today. I guess not.
Old Didsbury traffic, special also 2 Foxtrot with Papa Victors. In the overshoot off of 28, we'll be climbing up to 4,400 before turning southbound.
Yeah, Red Deer Forestry traffic, this is Cherokee 180, Golf Yankee Papa Romeo. 1 mile to the east of approaching for a field inspection. We are at 7,600 feet, Yankee Papa Romeo, westbound.
Old Didsbury traffic with Papa Victor is southbound just north of Didsbury, 5,200 cleared still.
Old Didsbury traffic, Golf Alpha Mike Zulu crossing midfield overhead from the north. We'll join left downwind 28.
Yeah, Red Deer Forestry, Yankee Papa Romeo is coming down 25, close field inspection, extending through 6,000.
Didsbury, Lancer 360 Foxtrot Zulu Sierra Zulu, currently 5,600 feet, transitioning down to 4,500 feet, approaching from the west, ETA to the field, 5 minutes. Olds Didsbury, Zulu Sierra Zulu.
160 knots, 196 ground speed. Nice.
Thunder air traffic at Cessna 182 Golf Charlie Echo India. 5 miles to the northeast of the field. At 5,000, we're going to fly the field to windsock inspection. Thunder traffic at Charlie Echo India.
Thunder area traffic, Piper Cherokee, Foxtrot looking Sierra, about 7 nautical miles south of Thunder Airport. Be descending down to 5,200 from 6,500 to overlook the airport. Alpha Sierra.
Olds Didsbury, Zulu Sierra Zulu, left downwind runway 28 full stop. Olds Dids.
Sierra area traffic, Papa Golf Tango, approximately 5 nautical miles northwest of field. We'll be crossing over the field to inspect the windsock. Sierra area traffic, Papa Golf Tango.
Sundry traffic, it's Cessna 182 Golf Charlie Echo India, just over Blue midfield. We're going to go to the west and descend down the circuit heights and cross back across midfield for left-hand downwind for 17.
Thunder area traffic, Cherokee, Foxtrot Sierra, 6,200, descending down to 5,200. Going to be overlooking the airport at 5,200, and then we'll be descending down to circuit altitude for runway 17 as well. Alpha Echo Sierra.
Old Didsbury Airport, Piper Foxtrot Zulu Zulu Kilo. We're ready to take off on 28. If the conflicting traffic, let me know. Zulu Kilo, Old Didsbury Airport, taking off 28.
Zulu Sierra Zulu, turning left base, runway 28 full stop.
I'll be out of your way long before you get here.
Roger that. Olds Dids, Zulu Sierra Zulu, turning final 28 full stop. Olds Dids.
Zulu Kilo rolling 28, Old Didsbury.
Old Didsbury traffic, 172 Golf Zulu Lima, 5,500, about 3 miles to the southeast of the airport currently. Just going to be passing about 2 miles to the east at 55 en route northbound. I'll monitor this in 26.7 till I'm past.
Sundry area traffic, Piper Cherokee Foxtrot with Sierra, about 4 nautical miles south east of the airport, descending to 5,200 to overlook the airport.
Lisbury Airport, Zulu Kilo off of 28 at 4,800 timing, runway heading.